Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make restaurant-quality milkshakes. To start, select high-quality, full-fat ice cream. This is your foundation for a rich, creamy texture. You'll also need a splash of whole milk or half and half, about 1/4 cup per 2 scoops of ice cream, to help it blend smoothly. Don't forget your chosen flavorings, like a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a tiny pinch of salt to really make those flavors pop. Now let's talk about the blending process. First, add your ice cream, milk, and flavorings into a sturdy blender pitcher. Begin blending on a low speed to gently combine all the ingredients without splashing. Then, gradually increase the speed to medium-high. Blend for approximately 30 to 60 seconds, or until it reaches a smooth, thick consistency. Be careful not to overblend, as this can make your milkshake too thin. The secret to a truly thick, restaurant-style milkshake lies in the ratio of ice cream to liquid. Aim for at least 3 scoops of ice cream for every 1/4 cup of milk. If your shake seems too thin, simply add another scoop or two of ice cream and blend again briefly. For an even colder, thicker result, try pre-chilling your blender pitcher and serving glass for at least 15 minutes before you begin. Finally, let's get creative with customization. The possibilities are endless. Try adding fresh berries, crushed cookies, or even a spoonful of peanut butter for a unique twist. Don't forget the classic toppings like a generous swirl of whipped cream, colorful sprinkles, or a bright red maraschino cherry. Serve your masterpiece immediately in a chilled glass to enjoy that perfect, frosty texture. Enjoy your delicious, homemade milkshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.